Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your TurboTax account. It is a process that requires careful attention to detail. First, it is crucial to download all your tax returns for previous years, ensuring you have copies for your records. Remember, directly deleting your account through the website is not usually an option, so you will need to follow specific steps to complete this task. Before attempting to delete your account, you must download all your tax returns. Log in to your TurboTax account and locate the Tax Home or Documents section. From there, you can download each of your tax year files, typically as PDF documents. This step is vital for maintaining your financial records, as once the account is deleted, these documents may no longer be accessible. Since there isn't a simple Delete Account button, your next step is to contact TurboTax customer support. You can usually find their contact information on the official website. When you speak with a representative, clearly explain that you wish to permanently delete your entire TurboTax account. Be prepared to verify your identity to ensure the security of your personal information. After speaking with support, ensure you receive confirmation that your account deletion request has been processed. It is also important to understand TurboTax's data retention policies. While your account will be closed, some of your personal data might be retained for a specific period due to legal and regulatory requirements. This is a standard practice to comply with various financial regulations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.